Hello, Jenny Hall here for Trinity Stamps. Today I'd like to share a look at the Comfort and Joy stamps and coordinating dies. Comfort and Joy is yet another adorable gnome addition to the Trinity family. This two-piece stamp set features an adorable gnome holding a candle and a coordinating sentiment. The coordinating die set perfectly cuts both the image and the sentiment in the Comfort and Joy stamp set. This is one of several different gnome stamp sets in our new Warm and Cozy release. Here's a look at some of design team inspiration created for you. As you can see, this gnome fits in so well with all of the other gnomes in our Trinity family and can be featured as a standalone or combined with other gnomes. Thanks for checking out Comfort and Joy.